Hello everyone, Sat Sri Akal ji ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. Today we are going to show you a very exquisite outfit done for the Mehndi ceremony of a lovely bride for whom we are not only sending this particular outfit but we are also sending lovely fulkaris for the bridesmaids. We'll share the pictures of that too. So let's begin with the details of this beauty feast. This is a pure crepe shirt on which we have given exquisite handwork in nalki and sippis all over the front neckline. Goes around the sleeves. It's a sleeveless shirt. Lovely motifs densely done all over the shirt. And not to miss the exquisite motifs on the kera. It gives a very Indian, very Punjabi vibe to the outfit. These lovely motifs in florals, lotus. Then on the kera, we've given a beautiful trim, hangings. Gives a very girlish feel to the outfit. Similar work is also given all over the back of the shirt. Let's have a look at the rear of the shirt. It's a beautiful neckline at the rear, deep neckline, and the similar work goes right up to the back kera as well. It is done very beautifully and densely. Since the bride-to-be is going to wear it for her mehndi function, so we've kept the length of the skirt a little less here. It's a short skirt so that it is very comfortable for her to wear it for her mehndi function, and she can get her mehndi done easily. This particular outfit is paired up with a tule dupatta in a very lovely baby blue. The combination of bottle green and baby blue always rocks, and this time as well it's looking awesome. Given nice kiran, magzi and anarad trimmings on the dupatta all over. The dupatta is already embellished also in zari and sippi in the similar gold motifs as the shirt. This outfit would look incomplete if it is not complemented with nice footwear, and so here we have given a beautiful Punjabi jutti in the same color as the shirt, similar work on the jutti, embellished with rich kungrus in gold. So this outfit is a must for all the brides to be, calling all brides to be this wedding season for their mehendis, haldis, sangeet, lama, reception looks. You can contact us via any one of our social platforms, WhatsApp, Facebook or Instagram. And along with this outfit, we are also sending across lovely, vibrant, beautiful fulkaris for the bridesmaids. Embellished very nicely with gotas and latkans. A variety of colors: firozi, red, turquoise, golds, orange, hot pink, royal blues. I'm sure the bridesmaids are gonna love these pieces. So coming back to the outfit, here is another look of it. Thanks for joining us today. This is the outfit of the day at Brocade Studio. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.